One important aspect of buying a motorcycle is also factoring in your motorcycle insurance every month. Because if you want to buy a 1000cc sport bike, it could become insurance pretty quickly. So we're turning to the Geico website to find our insurance on our XT250. Let's start off entering my zip code. And I'm going to go motorcycle ATV. Okay, put in my zip code again and start my quote. Okay, do you currently have Geico auto insurance? And I'm going to say no, because I don't have auto insurance with them. I do have motorcycle insurance. Now I'm going to type in my date of birth. I'll put in my first name. I'll probably blurt this out. Nobody out there needs to know my personal information. It's got me logging in. I want to add one, and add a motorcycle. Now I can go back to that dealer's website. 1, 2, 3, 4 of them, just like the cycle trader said. And we're going to click on this. Come on, guys. Okay, here's the whole VIN. I'm just going to copy that, Control C, and I'm going to go back here to my Geico. And I'm going to punch that VIN in there. 2022. Make. Look at all the motorcycles that are made in this world. Yamaha. XT250. Okay, I'm going to say it's financed. If you want to cover your losses, you better get insurance on it. Okay, so let's say I'm going to finance it. Will the vehicle replace another one? No. Continue. Primary use of vehicle, pleasure. Who will drive it the most? Me. Okay, so there's my current vehicles. Continue. So it's coming back and saying that I'm going to pay $146.17 for this motorcycle for 1 year on insurance. Anyway, what you're doing, what you're looking for here is if you buy this motorcycle, it's going to cost you $146 a year for insurance if you're 60 years old. If you're 25, it might be more than that. I don't know how much. You're going to have to do that yourself. So you're going to have to factor in how much you're going to be paying a month for this motorcycle through financing and how much you're going to be paying every month for insurance. Now, if you want to, you go to geico.com also and you punch in any kind of motorcycle. Punch in the Honda, punch in the Kawasaki and see how much it's going to be. Go for a bigger motorcycle like a BMW 1200 GS or whatever it is and see how much the insurance is going to be on that one.